Welcome to the class. Let's start a lesson about writing sensory details. In this lesson, we will learn different types of sensory details, then have a quick quiz. When writers are describing something, they need to use sensory details to make their writings better. So, a good descriptive writing gives a variety or range of sensory details. The reason why writers use sensory details are 1. To catch the reader's attention, 2. To add vivid descriptions, and 3. To make the reader want to know more. The functions of sensory details are 1. They give information about how a place looks, sounds, and smells. 2. They might also tell about the place's history or the people you might see there. Now, we'll discuss different types of sensory details. There are 5 kinds of senses, including the sight, sound, touch, taste, and people or history. We'll use adjectives such as white or blue to describe what we see. We'll use the traditional Peruvian music to describe the sound we heard. We'll use cool or hot senses to describe how someone feels when he or she touches something. And we'll use adjectives like spicy or sweet to describe a taste. And when we're describing people or history, we can use adjectives phrases like people are coming from all over the world to relax. Now, let's try to practice what we have learned about sensory details for today. Quiz 1. Read the article and find the sensory details. As you can see from the article, the sensory details are underlined. They include different kinds of adjectives. Quiz 2. Read the yellow part. Which of the 5 senses is used in the following sentence? After reading the sentence, you can find white sand and bright blue, so that you know that the sight sense is used. Quiz 3. Read the yellow part. Which of the 5 senses is used in the following sentence? After reading the sentence, you can find spicy fish in lime or lemon juice and sweet fruit juices, so that you know the taste sense is used. Quiz 4. Read the yellow part. Which of the 5 senses is used in the following sentence? After reading the sentence, you can find traditional Peruvian music, so that you know that the sound sense is used. Now, let's have a quick review of today's lesson. Using sensory details in the writing help 1. To catch the reader's attention, 2. Add vivid descriptions, 3. Make the reader want to know more about your topic. So sensory details describe 5 senses, including sight, sound, touch, taste, and people or history. This lesson is sponsored by the Ministry of Education.